buenas noches, damas y caballeros. Bienvenidos a bordo de Jetblue con servicio a Santo Domingo. Estamos agradecidos que han escogido viajar con nosotros esta noche. Los miembros de la tripulación que nos acompañan en el frente del avión, Johnny, son las alas MJ, en la parte de atrás Lexi. Ya me Luis es el capitán con nosotros, nos ha avisado el tiempo del vuelo esta noche, 3 horas 30 minutos. Ahora pedimos que dirijan su atención a la tripulación en el pasillo para una breve demostración de las características de seguridad de nuestro avión. En la parte delantera de su asiento encontrarán una tarjeta de información de seguridad. Por favor, sigan las instrucciones con nosotros mientras les indicamos las medidas de seguridad de nuestro avión. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome on board JetBlue Airways with service down to Santo Domingo. In-flight crew members joining you up front, we have Johnny over wing, MJ in the rear of the aircraft, Lexi. My name is Ulysses, captain with us. Has advised us flight time 3 hours 30 minutes. Your safety is our top priority, so I appreciate a few minutes of your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of our aircraft. You can follow along with safety information card in your seat back pocket. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with all crew member instructions, lighted information signs, and posted placards. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top flap off the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew to open the pouch, remove the vest and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Secure the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. And a locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. As a reminder, never inflate your vest inside the aircraft. This Airbus A321 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 doors mid-cabin, and 2 doors in the rear. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide. The slides at the front and rear of the cabin can be detached and used as rafts. An additional raft is located mid-cabin. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead. If necessary, floor level lighting will illuminate the aisles to help you find the exits. Please take a moment now to locate your closest exit, keeping in mind it may be behind you. If there is a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band around your head and tighten using the straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on first before helping others, and an in-flight crew member will let you know when the mask is no longer needed. We will be passing through the cabin to make sure we are ready for departure. You can help us by making sure seatbelts are fastened, seat backs and tray tables are stowed, and all carry-on items are completely under that seat in front of you. If you have any questions about the safety features of our aircraft, please don't hesitate to ask. And as a reminder, smoking, including the use of all electronic cigarettes, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight, and tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and will result in a fine. Also, for your convenience, we do have 4 restrooms on board, 1 in the front, 3 in the rear. Each is equipped with an infant changing table. Once we are airborne at a safe cruising altitude, our in-flight service will begin. In the seat back pocket in front of you, you should find a menu card that does contain a complete listing of all our snack and beverage options on board this evening's flight. Also, approximately 45 minutes after takeoff, we will be losing our satellite signal. However, we do have movies for you. They are on demand and will be with us for the duration of our flight down to Santo Domingo. Also, just a few moments, we'll be dimming the cabin lighting. If you do need additional light, there is one located directly above your seat. Once again, pleasure having you on board this evening. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight, and we'll talk to you once we're in the air.
What's up, ladies? What's that? We're gonna have Wi-Fi for about 35, 40 minutes. No. You only have it because once we lose the TVs, shortly thereafter, or a few minutes before, we lose the Wi-Fi as well. Yeah, but yeah, that's right.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
You want to listen to mine last night? I speak all that stuff and nobody pays attention. I know, it's okay. So, about 45 minutes we have TVs, and then the home screen, all the movies are on demand.